Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, I'm so excited, but we're going to be unboxing my Boxycharm Base box PR box and my Boxycharm Premium PR box. You guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are? Well, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so you guys want to know what I'm wearing on my face right now? I actually am testing out a full face of new products. The video will be out next week, and we had some fails in the video. Okay guys, so before I dive straight into the video, I just wanted to say thank you so much to Boxycharm for sending this to me in PR. I truly appreciate it. Now, I never ever expect to get Boxycharm Premium in PR, so when it shows up, I'm like, oh my god, it showed up. It's so amazing to me they send that to me. Like, normally I just get the base box. As of lately, they've been sending me the premium box, and I'm like, oh my god, Boxycharm, thank you. So with that said, guys, I'm gonna dive straight into this video, and I just want to say that I'm in such a good mood, because if you guys did not see in yesterday's or Monday's video, I unboxed the Laura Lee Cosmetics mystery box. It's like the $75 mystery bag, and I'm still waiting for the other two to ship out. But what was so cool is that Laura Lee retweeted my video, Manny MUA commented on it, and then he followed me on Twitter. Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow! I shit you not, when I saw that he followed me on Twitter, I ran out of my room. I screamed. I mean, the scream that came out of me. I screamed like a little bitch. I ran to Corey, dropped to my knees, and I started crying. And I just said, I'm so excited. I was like this. I'm so excited. That was me. That was me. So I hope I don't, scare him away. And he's like, oh God, this chick is just crazy. Unfollow. Because I have, commented a lot on his content about bringing back the Aphrodite liquid lip. Maybe he recognizes my name. He's like, oh, it's that crazy bitch. Unfollow. But I'm just so excited. And I know that he always does Boxycharm unboxings too. I know how much he loves these boxes. So with that said, let's go ahead and dive in. We're going to hit up the $25 box first. So this retails for $25 a month. You get 5 to 6 full-size items in here with a retail value of $125 plus. I don't know any spoilers. I try not to watch any spoilers that Boxycharm releases, or if I see anyone else talk about it, because I generally just want to be surprised. So I have no clue what we have in here. So the first thing I see is sweet treats. Oh, that's so cute. I really do like the theme. And I see that we have a Laura Geller product. This is the Iconic Bake Sculpting Lipstick in metallic. This is a Battery Park Bronze. And it says that artisan baked pigments and rich moisturizers saturate lips with creamy, vibrant colors that feel weightless and last all day. A curved bullet shaped allows for a single swipe application, providing long-lasting, high-impact wear, and it retails for $21. Now, so many of you guys have told me in previous videos, normally Laura Geller comes inside Ipsy, but that you can find a lot of Laura Geller products at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I've never seen this anywhere but TJ Maxx and Marshalls, so I'll just leave it at that. I've never also tried her products. Typically, I end up putting all of Laura Geller products inside my No Waste Wednesday. I don't mean to. It's just the way the cookie crumbles. All right, so here we have the bullet, and when you open it up, oh no. I do like the texture. That's a very curved lip. Like, holy crap. Like holy crap. That would that's like, it's gonna bite my lip. Like, oh god, like that's how it looks. And it is metallic. And I'm gonna be very real with you guys. I can't stand metallic lips with a passion. I just cannot stand it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to a No Waste Wednesday, just because I generally cannot stand anything metallic. For the eyes, maybe, but for the lips, no. I'm not trying to audition for a Xenon Girl of the 21st Century all over again, and I totally would if I had the opportunity to, but I'm just saying. Okay, next we have a Terra's de Mars. So this is an organic, low foaming aromatic and soft cleansers suitable for all skin types, infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee. Well, you're already talking to me. I mean, the coffee runs in my veins. And rosemary extracts infusion with verbena oil. Together, they tone, purify, protect the skin, while aloe vera nourishes and softens. It retails for $22. Oh my God, not bad at all. Not bad at all. But how do you smell? Do you smell good? Oh, that just drizzles out like snot. I love it. Okay, you guys see that? It's like I went, achoo! Oh, God. I'm sorry. That's so gross. That's so gross, but I will definitely try playing with that. Wait a minute. This is a body cleanser? This is I thought this was for your face. Wait, what? Are you a body or for your face? Oh my God, it's for your body. I thought this was for your face. Well, it smells really good. I'm not going to lie. I'm sorry I got nasty there, but it's what it looked like. It looked like, you know, little boogies. Okay, so next we have a product from Earth Harbor Naturals. Aurora Superfood Luminous. Oh, I can never say his name. Amply. Give your face illuminating superfood nutrition with harmonizing sea greens and cannabis sativa hemp oil. I said it right. Plus pacifying grapeseed oil and neem seed extract. Serenely energized and smooth skin while revealing dewy luminance. Retails for $32. I was about to make a stupid comment saying, wow, usually I see these type of products inside Ipsy. And then I realized that Ipsy and Boxycharm are now under one umbrella company. So that would make sense why you're starting to see brands popping up in both boxes that you've only ever seen in one, while they're trying to pop up in both. Durr. All right, so here we have the Superfood Luminous Amply. Oh my God. Oh God, this smells like, oh, it smells like when you walk into Michael's and they have that like fake plant smell throughout the place, but like kind of more like strong and maybe on the bad side of things, like rotten. Oh, like pickled fake plants. Okay. I hate when products smell and you're supposed to put on your face, because then I'm like, damn it, now I'm not going to breathe for as long as I use it. And Corey will not want to give my face kisses because he'd be like, oh God. All right, well, that's cool. All right, next we have an item from Dragon Beauty. So this is Dragonfire Color Corrector. Dragonfire Color Corrector helps to conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes. Saturated vitamin E and vitamin A. It blends effortlessly and offers customizable light to full coverage. This retails for $25. I guess good for Nikita Dragon for having her brand inside Boxycharm. I believe I don't have this one actually. I have the brown one, like her original color corrector. So that is actually really cool. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what the purple does. I know green is supposed to take away any redness. I don't know what the purple does. I guess it's just for dark circles. Okay, cool. Not bad. All right, and last but not least, we have a product from Natasha Denona. Do you guys remember the days when I used to say Natasha Denoni because I couldn't figure out how to say the right name? So this is the Jubilee eyeshadow palette, a special edition palette created exclusively for Boxycharm, featuring 5 colors, ultra pigmented shades that bring together a combination of celebration and balance between bold and pastel tones. This retails for $48. I do love Natasha Denona. She's an expensive ass bitch, but she's just so gorgeous. Ooh, that's so pretty. I glided on beautifully. That is exciting. Oh my God, that is so cool. And it's called Jubilee, which really reminds me of Riverdale. Maybe I'm thinking of Riverdale because I've been like binge watching that show. I just got into it and I didn't realize how good this show was. So let me go ahead and add up the total of the box and I'll let you guys know. So the total value of the box is $148. We got 3 makeup products and 2 non-makeup products. We got 1 skincare and 1 body care. So far I've been enjoying this 3-to-2 ratio where they do 3 makeup, makeup to skincare. That's how I really enjoy it. So this box is actually pretty good. Now moving on to Boxy Premium. And if you guys don't know, Boxy Premium is $35 a month. You get 6 to 8 full-size items in here with a retail value of $200 plus. However, you can have the option to just have Boxy Premium, where it is just the $35 a month. I choose to have it on top of my subscription. So instead of paying $25 a month, I do pay $60 a month for the premium and for the Boxy. But you need to sign up for the Boxy first. Once you get approved for the premium, you can cancel the Boxy and then just have the premium. However, if you want to get the luxe, you have to have the base box to get the luxe. So that is really cool. So let's dive into here and see what we got. Alrighty, so first things first, we have the sweet treats. And the first thing I see on here is from Nail Ink London. What is this? This is the glossiest roller balls to date. The glossiest roller ball to date has landed with the crystal roller ball to cool and soothe lips. This glassy formulation is infused with crystals to stimulate lip circulation and wake up chakras. Enriched with nourishing and hydrating properties, retails for $24. Okay. Oh my God. Shut the front door. There is stuff in here. Oh, I thought they were going to like roll down. That is so cool. Okay, so it says crystal ball roller. Feel vibrations in your incredible. Oh my God, that is so cute. Okay. Throwback to the 90s right here with the roll-on lips. You guys remember lip smokers? What flavor did you get? Oh wait, it does move. They do move! Wow, my God, they move! That's so cool. Oh my God, oh my God, that's gonna be so fun. Oh, that is so cool. Okay, and you move too? That is such a cool idea. That is so cool. How many times, take a shot, how many times I say cool, Jesus. Has the same smell. So it's a very, very light smell. Almost has like a sweet lavender smell to it, but that is actually really cute. I like that idea. That's awesome. Okay, so next we have reusable bamboo makeup removal pads. What? So it says 70% natural bamboo, 30% organic cotton. So these antimicrobial and hypoallergenic reusable bamboo pads are designed to remove makeup, cleanse, and apply toner while reducing waste for the environment. Use the mesh bag included to machine wash and dry. Retails for $20. That is so cool. I love that. Anything I can do to help the environment, I am all for. That is really cool. I want to look at these. It says apply your favorite makeup remover or cleanser with water, then gently wipe face with pads and circular motions to cleanse skin. Oh, that's so cool. I really do like the fact that these are reusable and that you can use them for toner. That is something I really appreciate because I usually use those like small little pads like this to put on my toner. So the fact that I can use this for toner and not have to create any more waste. Oh, that's awesome. I love that. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Next, I have a product from NARS. What? We've never seen NARS in here. Okay, so this is a cult favorite. Best-selling blush delivers a weightless, natural-looking rush of cheek color and matte, satin, and shimmering finishes. So this is in the shade Gitty. Oh, she's pink. Ooh, that's like a deep pink Barbie shade. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add that to a No Waste Wednesday. That is way too pinky for me. I am like a peach, very light pink blush. That's just what I personally prefer. So that is really cool to receive that in here. Just definitely not my color. Okay, so next we do have the Iconic London Sunset to Sunrise eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is a perfect summer companion. There's 20 highly pigmented shades and a select matte shimmers and glitters to make your eyes pop. This retails for $62. It's like looking into a mirror. I like that. That's actually really pretty. Definitely in time for spring and summer. I can see you can create some beautiful warm tone looks with this. That is really nice and it's really expensive. Okay, that's so cool. I think the only other Iconic palette that I have like big like this, I got in a Glossy Box Advent Calendar, I think is my last like Iconic London one that I got. Next, we got a Dose of Colors eyeliner. This is in the shade Maybe Baby. And it says, this long wear creamy eyeliner glides on easily, delivering a transfer resistant, high coverage matte finish. Built-in sharpener included and retails for $15. Not a bad price for an eyeliner, actually. It's actually more affordable than most brands. It looks like a pencil. That is so cool. Definitely not a color I would typically go for because it is a dark green, but it definitely will come in handy. And it did glide on super easily, and built-in sharpener. That is actually really cool. And it's really affordable too. I like that. Last but not least, we got the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer, a universal makeup primer for all skin types. This shine-stopping, pore-diffusing primer smooths the way for better foundation application and long wear for an instant retouch effects. Retails for $32. I'm so excited. So it says soft matte. This is so cool. I've always wanted to try this. I just got really like geeked out, but I love the setting powder that I received from Boxycharm last time from Fenty Beauty. It worked so beautifully. So to finally get the primer, oh my God, I'm so excited for it. And it's shine control and pore diffusing. Y'all know I have very large pores and I'm oily ass bitch. So anything I do to help that would be so nice. Ooh. It kind of smells like sunblock. It smells like Disney Tourist. It smells good. That's going to be really, really exciting to play with and try out. That is really cool that they included that. That is so cool. It also does extend the makeup wear, and it also is supposed to extend your makeup wear. So that is exciting. So let me go ahead and add up the total of this box. Okay, so the total box is $183. Not the $200 value, but I honestly could care less. I think this box was really, really, really good. I am so excited. First off, there is legit no skincare in here. It's all freaking makeup, which is exciting. Also, I really do like these like little rollers. They're super nice, and I really do like having like the crystals inside of here. This product right here, the reusable makeup pads, I'm living for this right now. I'm so excited to give this a go. I really want to do anything I can to help save the environment. I'm so freaking excited to try out this Fenty Beauty retouch primer. That's exciting. The Iconic London palette is beautiful. I can't wait to play with this. Same thing with the Dose of Color eyeliner. The NARS blush, as cool as it was to get, it's just too deep for me. But at the end of the day, this box was incredible. I'm so excited, and I just, like I said, I cannot thank Boxycharm enough for sending these my way. Now, as you guys already know, I do still pay for these boxes. So whatever items that I get in my next paid for boxes that are duplicate or don't want, you guys already know where it's gonna go. Say it with me. No Waste Wednesday! So, like I told you guys last month, I unfortunately didn't have a No Waste Wednesday last month, so I will have it this month, and it's going to be huge because not only is it going to have a lot of products from this month, it's going to have so many products from last month, and I'm going to get tons of duplicate items from my Laura Lee mystery bag. So you guys can best believe you are going to see those mystery bags in that No Waste Wednesdays. So I'm so excited. So stay tuned to the end of the month. But yeah, guys, that is everything I got in both these boxes. Again, Boxycharm, thank you so much for gifting these to me in PR. I really appreciate it. So if you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4, mostly 5 times a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channels, R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures with my amazing husband, Corey. And a huge, huge thank you to all these beautiful Patreon members right here. Thank you guys so much for everything that you guys do. And to my subscribers and my viewers, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. Ooh, this is the Iconic London Sunset to a cool freaking box. But as of lately, they've been sending me the pre-art. No. Okay, so before I dive straight into the video, I do want to give you okay guys, so before I dive straight into the video, I do want to say a huge the 20 highly pigmented shades in a select the 20 highly Boxycharm's not playing with these boxes. I love it. So the total value of the box is $148. We got 2 makeup products and 3. So the total value of the box is. Ooh. So far, I really have been enjoying this new 3, 2, 1. So far I've been having. Oh my god.